Oh. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we laugh at hilarious animal antics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My headphones, they are dead, so we are going without them today. Don't forget to comment below your favorite video. I'm happy my voice is starting to come back a little bit. Here we go. Genius cat. Oh wow, just sleuthed back into this house. Yep, this is where I belong. Feed me, Dumpy. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I could actually say that word, but that's funny. Oh wow, what a smart cat. Is that a cheese puff? I think that's mine. What is that? Smoke? Weed? Oh, he's like, oh, he locked himself back in. Oh, that's too funny. Oh. No, she says no. She says no. That's awesome. Okay, we're moving on to the second one. Okay, on to number 2. Here we go. Sleepy kittens. Oh, just falling asleep. So cute. Oh, just relaxing. Oh, what a dreamer. Oh, so cute. Oh, this cat is like not waking up. Do not bother me. Oh, just in the hood. Perfect. That's awesome. Oh, an interesting position. Sitting in my sleep instead of in the rain. Oh, look at the belly. Just the belly. So cute. Okay, on to number 3. Number 3, here we go. Oh, geez, cats versus the Christmas tree is always a fun one to watch. The Christmas tree, don't knock it down, and knocks it down. Oh my goodness. And knocks it down and runs away. Oh my god. Although, why do you put a Christmas tree right under the fan? I'm innocent. The cats are freaking out. Hopefully it stays up. Oh jeez. Oh jeepers. Not good. What a mess. Just bites it. Let me at it. That's hilarious. Okay, and we're moving on to the last one. Okay, here's to the last one. Pugs. Oh, they're so cute. Just the way they look at you. Just feed me. Feed me. Oh, this one's crying. Oh. So funny. Just so cute. I love it. Oh, look at just going back and forth. Oh, that's a big yawn. Oh, and then we howl. He's so funny. Mine, no mine. No, that one's mine. Oh, here we go. Oh, mine. Here we're on it again. Oh, and now this one's crying. I love it. That is it for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And we'll chat soon. Bye now.